And today, I will address the people who influenced me so I can influence others.
The people's advocate, respect, sir. Ben Murray Bruce, the people's advocate, passion for service. Everybody, Ben Murray Bruce, the people's advocate, passion for service.
I disagree. A tricycle on any street in any part of Nigeria is an indication of a failed transportation policy. It is not acceptable. You cannot ride tricycle. You import 18th century India technology to a 21st century economy in Nigeria, in my country, bastardizing my people and telling me on TV every night, let us pray.
Children every year must be sent abroad for education, for science, health, so we can have geniuses in our land. Geniuses do not come by mistake. If the governors do not educate the children, you cannot have geniuses. You cannot be a genius in the dark. You can only be a genius when the light is shining on your face. We are smart and intelligent. The governors must support our cause, educate our children. The president will do the same. He's committed to one Nigeria. He's committed to growing our economy. He's committed to making sure everybody in this room and everybody in Nigeria has a chance to have access to capital in the banks at low interest rate, so all of you can run your small businesses and make a living.
We need to have a minister of common sense appointed into this administration. The minister of common sense will go to the minister of external affairs and say, we charge £100 to get a visa in England to come here, and because we charge £100 from England, the British Embassy in Nigeria charges the equivalent. If we charge no money in England, the British Embassy here charges no money. Imagine the billions of naira live in our economy because they charge. Now, the reason we charge in England is because the government never remits the salaries on time. They need the money to survive. So if we had an efficient system of government and we stopped charging embassies abroad, where we have a net outflow of capital, we would save billions of naira in our economy.
Vote Ben Bruce for Senate 2015. Vote Green. Let there be light.